Hello there traders, this is Matt with Freedom Trade Group. Want to welcome you today to the weekly review. Today I'm going to be diving into the trades for the week of August 21st through the 27th of 2016. And we're just going to pull back the curtain, so to speak, and show you the trades. There wasn't a whole lot of trades this week. In fact, if we count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades for the week, guys. So pretty busy last week with some other things, so I wasn't able to get in as much as I would have liked. Nonetheless, still a very successful week. 2 really small, very small losers and a couple good winners for a net profit of $4,456 for the week. All right. So for those of you who are really busy and maybe are a little bit intimidated by trading, thinking it's going to consume all your time, I hope this can show you otherwise, in that trading really doesn't require a lot of time per se. It's just a matter of taking the time consistently to be able to put yourself in a position to succeed, to find those opportunities, and when they present themselves, to take them, right? So again, 6 trades. Really, this is something anybody could do on any time schedule. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So even with a busy schedule, there's always a time in the day to be trading. So today I actually want to do one quick review on one trade that we had on the New Zealand dollar, the New Zealand US dollar currency pair. Okay, and I've got it pulled up here already for you, and I've got these arrows to make it easy for you to see where I got in on the trade and where I got out. It was a sell trade on a 1.5 lot size, wrote it down, grabbed some pips for a $345 profit. Really quick trade. You can see we weren't in that very long, and timed it perfectly. The market drove up, had this big drive up, got our signal on our indicators, which helps us identify those moves before they happen. Sure enough, the market went a little bit sideways, but then what did it do? It dropped, right? Just as we anticipated. Hence the reason we sold, had our take profit in, and had another winning trade. So let me show you really quick what it looked like on the indicators. I've got it rewound back just to show you. We got in at 73.23 on the sell. Pull it up here, and we're right at this 73.23. and timed it really well. So what do we have here? I've got a great setup actually on my 15, 45, and 60 minute, where my majors and my minors are both overbought. That's what we look for. Majors and minors crossing, pointing down in the same time frame. Same thing here. And although the minors aren't quite crossing, the majors have. The big guys have, right? So there's a lot of what we call confluence here with our time frames. In fact, we're overbought here as well with my majors and minors. And my TNTs, if you're familiar with these, you'll be able to see that we're actually getting a signal to some downside movement setting up as well. Same thing on my pressures, even though they're up. If you're with us, you'll be able to see that, but I've got some actual significant change here that's telling me there's going to be some downward movement, which there certainly was, right? Which we can see here in the charts is exactly what happened. So if I rewind this forward, like I said, we went sideways for a little bit. Here's an even better signal on my 120 where we get that cross, and then sure enough, we got the move down, right? So turned out really well for us, and I'm really happy and pleased with how the trade turned out. Anytime you make a profit, that's always a good thing. So I hope that helps. I'm going to wrap it up there. Until next time, best of luck in your trading.